planner people, we are back with another week, the week of January 14 to the 20th, and I am super excited because we're doing a giveaway. So if you haven't noticed, some of our favorite sticker creators have come to Michael's, and I went shopping the other day. So not only am I going to be doing plan with me videos for you guys, but I will also be doing giveaways with the kits that I purchased and am doing the plan with me videos on. This week, I'm going to be using sweet kawaii designs from Michael's, and I am super excited. I have been wanting to try her shop since Elle Fowler mentioned it on her YouTube channel in 2014. Overall, I am super pleased with what I got in this kit. And this is the coffee/tea themed one, but she also has several other different themes that are on sale at Michael's. I love this kit. I love all the quotes, washi tape. The only thing that I didn't really enjoy is that there are only 6 meal planning stickers, and if you have watched any of my videos before, you know that kind of irks me in that I prefer to have 7 meal stickers because there are 7 suppers in a week. But anywho, if you really wanted to have a really full spread, you could purchase a second kit and then divide the 2 meal planning stickers between the 2 kits. Other than that, it's really great. You do get only 2 sets of headers. You have your Monday through Sunday headers, and then you also have to do headers as well as the correlating check boxes. This kit also comes with holographic stickers, which is a nice little touch and kind of gives it a little bit of an icy feel to me. Being in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, it is still very much winter outside and kind of gives it that chilly feel. But anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on this plan with me video. Today I'm starting up at the top of my planner, covering up my days of the week with the sticker days of the week. Yes, it does sound a little bit redundant, but I do really like the look of it, and I love it against the pale blue that the planner already has. The nice thing about these companies coming to Michael's is the fact that you don't have to pay for shipping, there's no duty when it gets to you, no hidden extra costs, and you can use the Michael coupon code. The reason why I wanted to do this giveaway or these giveaways is because I understand that not everybody has a Michael's near to them, and I don't know, but at least in Canada I find the Michael's website extremely frustrating, and I don't even know if you can order on it and have it shipped to you. So I just went ahead and picked a favorite from each of the 3 companies and thought might as well just go ahead and give it away to you guys. By no means is this giveaway extravagant, but it is from the heart. And of course I'll list more details at the end of this video. This kit comes with a few washi tape options, and I'm going to use this holographic dot one at the top, kind of separating the days of the week header from the actual boxes. I'm just using my Happy Planner stencil to rip up the excess amount of washi tape from the side. I was using an old Erin Condren ruler, but this one happens to work just as well, and it's already clipped into my planner most of the time. I'm going to repeat that process on the other side, and I'm going to make sure to save the extra bit of washi strip for a different location in the planner since there's so much left over. I hate wasting stickers. Because I do not have 2-day headers, I'm going to place this remember sticker as a general heading for all of the section below. When you see this video, it will most likely be either Monday night or Tuesday evening. We have had another round of the flu in our house. Olivia unfortunately has it this time through, and it's just been so hectic. I've been trying to edit this video all weekend. I had plans to take in all of our recycling and donations on Monday. Well, Olivia experienced being at daycare for an hour by herself. However, she got sick, and so I decided not to send her at all, and instead I stayed home and played nurse to her. So on Tuesday, I have made a doctor's appointment for her just because she has had a fever now for a few days, and her eyes are very red. So I just want to get them checked because I know when I was little, I was prone to eye infections along with my cold. On Wednesday, I have professional development. I know I'm on maternity leave, but I couldn't help myself. I'm actually going to be taking a professional development webinar at home Wednesday evening, and I'm super excited. If Olivia is feeling better, I will take her for daycare for an hour, and while she's at daycare, I'll do the errands I didn't get done on Monday. I would also like to take down our Christmas lights because we took down everything else, but they're so pretty, I wanted to leave them up for just another week longer. Ideally, I would like to get August squeezed into his groomers on Friday, but we'll have to see. I've been playing telephone tag, and then I need to run a few errands. I definitely need to go to Costco sooner than later. There aren't any assigned washi strips, like washi pieces strips, so I'm going to make my own. I want 2 of the same style, so I'm just going to slice this double or half box with my paper cutter, and then I will end up with 2 kind of washi strips. I'd like to place these on Saturday and Sunday just under the holographic washi strip so that it makes it a little bit larger, and I'll have a nice space to put on my weekend banner. I haven't really been big on the weekend banners lately, but because the one in this kit is so cute, I'm going to go ahead and incorporate it. While I'm here on the weekend, I'm going to go ahead and place a quote down for Saturday, and it's super cute. It says, "Nothing a little tea can't fix." I'm sorry I'm saying super cute a lot. I know that was a thing a while ago. On Sunday, I've put a striped full box down, and then I'm going to add a little header that says, "Don't forget." On Sundays in general, I do a lot of errands, so it's good to have extra writing space. This kit comes with hydration stickers, and normally I don't put them down for each day, but I probably should because lately I've been terrible at drinking enough water. So, staying hydrated is the sticker for me this week, and there are 7 of them. I'm going to go ahead and put them across my planner. I do want them straight across my planner, so I am going to add the little meal sticker above the hydration sticker for my weekdays, and then I'm not even going to bother using the 6th meal planner, so I won't do a meal planner sticker for Saturday or Sunday. I'm going to go ahead and put these on and be right back. I've jumped down to the bottom of my planner, and I am placing down my washi strips. These are so cute. I'm again going to use my stencil and just rip up the excess. Definitely going to save this for a different area of my planner. Moving over to the other side of my planner, I'm going to repeat the process but the opposite direction so that the piggy is in the center and the panda is off to the side. For fun, I'm just going to go ahead and add this thin washi strip to the top of both sides. Jumping to the center of my planner, I'm going to go ahead and add the 2 do headers, and then underneath that I am going to try my best to color match the check boxes underneath. If you have been on Netflix or Facebook or Instagram, you probably have seen the buzz around Marie Kondo and the KonMari method. I had read both of the books several years ago, and I actually went through the process before we moved to our new house and got pregnant. However, now that I have had my first baby and we're in a new house, I feel like I do need to do the process over again. I still look at things in my house the same way that I did when I initially did the process. So for instance, if something doesn't give me joy, I do get rid of it. But because of all of the baby things, it's kind of hard because Mark and I are still kind of humming and hawing if we want a second, or even if we'll be able to have a second. And those are things that I don't really want to have to repurchase. So I think I'm going to have to go through them and really just say, is it worth keeping for the second one, or do I want to try something different? This week for my to-do list, I do want to put one Kumari method step per week. I also want to add one work-related thing per day and one home thing per day, as well as the little usuals. I'm going to go ahead and place them all on and be right back with you. For some reason, the extra checkbox is pink instead of this teal color, so instead of using it, I'm going to change things up and use a half box, which is super cute. And then I'm going to place a washi strip on top and a second sticker above. This is the extra piece of holographic washi strip from the top that I saved previously. Because I already know that I do have a doctor's appointment for Olivia on Tuesday, that's absolutely fine that I don't have a lot of to-do writing space. To be honest, I probably won't get much done other than taking Olivia to the doctor. Because I don't have very much going on this week, I'm going to add another washi strip on top of the other two I have. Excessive, I know. I've already gone ahead and added some washi tape to the side bottom bar. I'm also adding a Monday through Sunday sticker to my sidebar, and I'm going to use this for purchases. The washi tapes at the bottom are looking a little bit shabby, so I'm going to disguise them with this flag. To top this off, I'm going to add my to buy header, and then above this I'm going to add two habit trackers. One of them is going to be for my Bible journaling. The other is going to be for steps. Lastly, I'm just adding a few heart and coffee bar stickers to the bottom, and I'll use these to write down my YouTube or Instagram tasks. Is everything for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I loved using Sweet Kawaii Designs stickers for this week. Yay, it is finally giveaway time! Woohoo! Okay, so this week we are going to be giving away the exact same sticker kit I used, and in addition to that, I found this super cute matching washi tape. And if you can see closely, it has all the animals on one strip, coffee cups, and then it has a quote with coffee beans, and then some little hearts on a purple backdrop. These are the giveaways for this week. Again, nothing over the top, but a giveaway nonetheless. So what do you have to do to qualify? Please go ahead and be subscribed. Leave a comment letting me know if there is a planner you would like me to review on this channel for 2019. Of course, go ahead and like this video. If you are not yet subscribed, I welcome you to join us. This giveaway is open globally, and there's more information listed down below. I hope you guys have a great day, and